What if I told you there's one simple movement, no machines, no weights, no equipment, that can build powerful leg strength, improve posture, boost daily energy, and yes, even support vitality? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But it's very real. And the surprising part, most people over the age of 50 have never even heard of it. It's called the horse stance. And while it may look like you're just standing, don't let that fool you. This ancient position has been practiced for centuries by martial artists and healers, not for how it looks, but for what it does inside the body. And here's the powerful part. It only takes 2 minutes a day. You can do it in your living room, in your kitchen, or even right next to your bed. No gym membership, no running, no jumping, and absolutely no pounding or strain on your joints. But the real value goes even deeper. This movement trains your mind just as much as your muscles. What it does for balance, joint health, pelvic circulation, posture, and even hormonal vitality might genuinely surprise you. In this video, I am going to break down exactly why the horse stance works and how you can safely start using it today to stay strong, steady, and centered after 50. Stick with me, because benefit number 7 is something almost nobody talks about, but everyone over 50 absolutely needs to understand. Before we begin, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. First up, real strength begins from the ground up. Let's be honest, after 50, leg strength isn't about looking athletic anymore. It's about getting up from a chair without using your hands, climbing stairs without pain, and walking with confidence instead of worrying about losing your balance. The horse stance acts like a power station for your lower body. When you sink into this position, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all activate at the same time, and they stay engaged for the entire hold. There's no bouncing, no impact, no jerking motions, just controlled, steady tension, and that's where the real magic happens. Unlike force-based exercises that can wear down knees and hips, the horse stance builds strength without wear and tear. It's gentle on the joints, but demanding on the muscles, the perfect combination for an aging body. And here's something many people don't realize. The stronger your legs are, the more independent you remain. From carrying groceries to catching yourself on a slippery floor, your legs are your life support system. Just 2 minutes a day of horse stance can restore strength you didn't even realize you had lost. Because aging gracefully doesn't mean losing power, it means learning how to build it smarter. Next, a strong core is more than abs. Your lifeline? Most people think core strength is about flat stomachs or six-pack abs, but after 50, it's about something far more important. Stability, posture, and spinal protection. The horse stance quietly strengthens your entire core, not just the front muscles, but your obliques and deep lower back muscles as well. While holding the stance, your body must stabilize itself without leaning forward, twisting, or collapsing. That subtle effort activates your core completely. Why does this matter? A strong core reduces pressure on your lower back, helps you sit and stand longer without discomfort, and improves how your body moves as a whole. Everyday actions like turning while driving, standing in line, or getting out of bed become smoother and far less tiring. And unlike crunches or planks that can strain the neck or shoulders, the horse stance builds core endurance, the kind of strength that holds you upright all day long. No fast reps, no flashy movements. Just controlled breathing, steady posture, and real functional strength. After 50, your core isn't cosmetic, it's foundational. One of the sneakiest signs of aging is losing your balance. It happens so slowly you don't even notice it, until you miss a step, stumble on a curb, or find yourself reaching for walls, just in case. But what if you could retrain your body's internal GPS? The horse stance does exactly that, without any fancy tricks. By holding this simple position, you force your body to stay centered from your feet all the way to your head. Your muscles fire to keep you upright, but more importantly, your brain reactivates its sense of proprioception, its awareness of where your body is in space. Over time, this improves stability and gives you confidence, whether you're walking on uneven ground, hiking, or just stepping out on a slick morning. Falls aren't just accidents, they're warnings. The horse stance helps your body respond before something goes wrong. Now let's talk about something most fitness videos avoid. Pelvic health. After 50, quality of life is just as important as strength. The horse stance uniquely activates deep muscles around your hips and pelvis, areas often ignored in traditional workouts. As you hold the stance, blood flow naturally increases to this region, gently stimulating tissues and supporting vascular health. For men, this can support erectile function. For women, it helps improve pelvic floor tone, supporting bladder control and stability. This isn't about vanity, it's about staying connected to your body without relying on medications. Most exercises train the body, but the horse stance also trains the mind. After about 30 seconds, your legs might start to shake, and your brain will probably beg you to quit. But when you stay with it, breathe, and focus, something powerful happens. You build resilience, the ability to stay calm under pressure. Science shows that slow, controlled movements combined with deep breathing can lower stress, improve emotional regulation, and strengthen your mental endurance. This quiet inner toughness becomes emotional armor you can carry everywhere. And what about aching knees and stiff hips? The horse stance strengthens your joints without grinding them down. Through isometric loading, your tendons and ligaments get stronger without repetitive impact. Your knees, hips, and ankles stay aligned, creating just enough tension to trigger adaptation without injury. Think of it as building internal scaffolding that keeps you moving confidently. Finally, stiff hips make everything harder, from tying your shoes to getting out of a car. The horse stance gently opens the hip joints, improving mobility without aggressive stretching. When your hips move freely, your whole body follows. Better hip mobility improves posture, balance, and reduces fall risk. When your hips open up, life opens up too. Have you ever felt like you're not quite yourself anymore? Maybe your energy is low, your mood takes a nosedive for no reason, or you're dealing with that frustrating brain fog. After 50, hormonal shifts can really affect everything. But what if I told you there's a simple, ancient practice that can help you feel like yourself again? It's called the horse stance. When you hold the horse stance, you're creating a controlled physical stress on your body, but it's the good kind of stress. This simple action helps lower your cortisol, which is that pesky stress hormone. At the same time, it boosts the circulation of feel-good hormones like endorphins and even testosterone. When you combine this with deep, steady breathing, you're not just working your muscles, you're calming your entire nervous system and sharpening your focus. It's like you're telling your body, hey, I'm still moving, I'm still strong, I still matter. And trust me, your body listens. Now, you might look at the horse stance and think it looks pretty still, but don't let its quiet appearance fool you. This single pose activates nearly every major muscle group in your body. Your legs are working hard to support your weight. Your core muscles fire up to stabilize your spine. Even your back, shoulders, and arms are subtly engaged to maintain your posture. This is what we call functional strength, kind of strength you use in your everyday life. Think about carrying heavy groceries, lifting your grandchildren, or just staying steady and upright when you're walking on uneven ground. The horse stance builds that quiet, efficient power that makes all those daily activities easier and safer. One of the best things about the horse stance is that it's like having a full gym inside your own body. There are no machines, no mirrors, and no loud, distracting noise. It's just you and the floor beneath you. You can do this anywhere, anytime, in under 2 minutes. Whether you're in your living room, your office, or even a hotel room. And because it's so simple and accessible, you're much more likely to actually do it consistently. And consistency is what creates real, lasting results. Especially as we get older. With the horse stance, your gym travels with you. There are no excuses. So, are you ready to learn how to do it? It's safe and simple. Start by standing with your feet together. Then, step your feet out so they're wider than your shoulders. Turn your toes slightly outward. Now, slowly lower your hips as if you're about to sit down on an invisible chair. Make sure to keep your chest lifted and your back straight. A great tip is to glance down and check that your knees are tracking over your toes, not caving inward. Once you're in the pose, just hold it and breathe slowly and deeply. If you're new to this, start with just 30 seconds. As you get stronger, you can work your way up to 1 or even 2 minutes. Of course, safety first. You should avoid this exercise if you've had recent surgery, have uncontrolled high blood pressure, or experience severe balance issues. As always, if you have any doubts or concerns, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. In our fast-paced, noisy world, the horse stance offers a moment of stillness with a powerful purpose. Just 2 minutes a day can help restore your strength, improve your balance, fix your posture, and boost your confidence, all without pills, expensive machines, or a gym membership. So, the question is simple. Will you try it? I invite you to stand up right now. Take your stance and let your body remind you of the incredible strength it still holds. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on staying strong and vibrant at any age. See you next time.